Welcome to TechZoid, where we simplify tech for you. Today, we're exploring separated apps on Samsung, what they are, whether you need them, how to uninstall them, and how to find them on your device. Let's get started. What is separated apps on Samsung? Ever seen separated apps on your Samsung phone and wondered what it does? It's a security feature that keeps certain apps isolated from the rest of your phone. It's mostly used by businesses or organizations to separate work apps from personal apps. Here's what it does. It keeps data separate. Work apps can't access personal data and vice versa. Enhances privacy. Isolates sensitive apps to prevent leaks. Improves security. Only approved apps can run in the secure space. Think of it like Samsung's secure folder, but instead of a full workspace, it only isolates specific apps. Do I need separated apps? For most users, separated apps isn't necessary. It's mainly useful if you use your phone for work and personal use and need to keep data separate. Your company requires it for security reasons. You want an extra layer of privacy for certain apps. However, if you're a regular user and never enabled it, you don't need to worry about it. How to uninstall separated apps on Samsung. If you no longer need separated apps, you can remove or disable it. Here's how. Method 1. Uninstall from Settings. Go to Settings Apps. Tap the three-dot menu and select Show System Apps. Find separated apps in the list. Tap it and check if the uninstall or disable option is available. Method 2. Using ADB for advanced users. If your device doesn't allow direct uninstallation, you can remove it using ADB commands on a computer. However, this is only recommended if you're familiar with Android debugging. Final thoughts. Separated apps is a useful feature for businesses and privacy-conscious users, but it's not necessary for everyone. If you don't use it, you can disable or remove it without any issues. If you found this explanation helpful, check out the full article by clicking the link in the description. Do you have any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This is TechZoid, where we simplify tech for you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.